friends. I'm here with Lammy. Lammy says hi. And I wanted to share with you something that I think is so much fun. Lammy, have you ever made sight words with different things, with different objects? Lammy says yes. Lammy, I'm so surprised. You can do that? He says yes. I love to make sight words too. It is so much fun to try to make them in different ways. You can always do one of my favorite things, like make sight words in shaving cream. But today I had some ideas of different ways to make a sight word. I'm going to do the sight word see.
See.
And I hope that you can see the word see in different ways. Let's see what I did today.
I see sticks. Do you see see? I see leaves. Do you see see? I see bark. Do you see see? I see toys. Do you see see? I see socks. Do you see see?
I've had a great time today making the sight word see.
See.
You should pick one or two sight words that you really want to learn and practice making them in a different way too. I hope you have fun making some creations. Now I better get Mr. Moulton's socks back before he notices.
Hey, have you seen my socks anywhere?
Lammy, did you hear that? Oh no, I think I'm in trouble again. Friends, I better go. I hope you have fun making sight words yourself. Have a great day. Bye, friends.
See. For more fun videos with vocabulary support for English language learners, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.